Hi, everybody. It's me, your fearless leader, here again with another update. This is the June update for 2024, and we're going to have some great stuff going on this month. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk about the two projects or the three things that we're going to be doing this month. The first project is called Spring Bake. I know, a little play on words by my part, on my part. And this is it right here. I'll hold it back. And it ties. It's got elastics, of course. And here's the back. I really had fun doing this kit, or this project, because I really loved the papers. I normally am not a cooking, baking, whatever kind of person, but I really loved the theme on this, and I really loved the papers. I hope you like this project. I barely got it in for spring. This kit is called Letter Writing. Here we go. This project is called Letter Writing. And it's a My Porch Prints kit. Really love it. Love it, love it. And we'll be doing that this month too. And let's see what else I have here. We're doing a giant collaboration, another one with Line Dot Arrow and Nonstop Paper Crafts. So that means there's going to be drawings and challenges and other fun things. Oh, freebies from Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal tutorials and more, plus from 4 other groups. There's 6 of us this time. I'd like to welcome Savage Art into the gang. And these are the 6. I'm going to hold this up so I can read it. These are the 6 junk journal groups that are going to be involved in the large collaboration for me design team project. And that's going to be Nonstop Paper Crafts, of course, Two Sisters Jam, of course, Savage Art, Line Dot Arrow, Sweet Pea Papers, and Junk Journal tutorials and more. I don't know why I had to look at that list. I knew that list. So this is a short update because I really don't have other than that. Oh, we're going to have a BB Craft fun again this month. There'll be 2 of the 3 videos will be this month, and the other one will be the beginning of July. I hope BB Craft is okay with that. But I have fun playing with their stuff, and I totally appreciate them sending it to me to unbox and to play with. And I hope you will enjoy those videos as well. So really, to tell you the truth, this has only been 3 minutes and I'm done. I'm actually done. There's nothing else. Well, just make sure to keep posting. Make sure to post your pictures in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More group. I don't have the papers to show you. That's what it was for the Line Dot Arrow collaboration and Nonstop Paper Crafts collaboration, because I don't have them yet. I haven't been able to print them out, and I don't have them yet to show you a little, teaser glimpse or whatever. But as usual, see, you knew I had more, right? As usual, when you post your pictures using the kit or kits, because it's going to be half at Line Dot Arrow plus an add-on, usually half at Nonstop Paper Crafts and an add-on, and then the freebies every week. When you use just the freebies and you post that picture, then you get 1 entry into the drawings, because there's 1 each in Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal tutorials and more. And then if you use the kits, either one or all of the by Line Dot Arrow Nonstop Paper Crafts and the freebies, then you get 2 entries into the drawing. And if you just use the papers, then you get 2 entries into the drawing. Okay? All right. So I think that really is all this month. We have 2 projects plus the great big collaboration project. We've got BB Craft, and be sure to post be sure to watch the collaborator videos and also the design team members videos for Line Dot Arrow, because these ladies do great stuff and you don't want to miss it, and the collaborators do as well for the month of June. Okay, all right, well, I'm really going to go this time. I know I said I was done like 2 minutes ago, but I will see you guys next month, and that is going to be the update for the Crafty Christmas in July collaboration. This will be the 4th annual Crafty Christmas in July. And excuse my sniffles, the cottonwood trees are blowing all over the place this morning and yesterday and the day before. But anyway, this will be our 4th annual Christmas in July, and I'm very excited about it. And we'll have the rest of the update on that at the end of June. Okay? All right, well, I'll see you guys next time in June, and have a great month and great crafting, and I will see you then. Okay? Bye-bye.